NASA recently discovered mysterious bird ships in space. But what exactly is this strange phenomenon? Is it real or just a scientific anomaly? Let's test your knowledge with some exciting MCQs. Stay till the end to challenge yourself and boost your exam preparation because space and science is a topic that students must have to know. So the first question is, which instrument aboard the International Space Station ISS has been instrumental in predicting wildfire susceptibility through machine learning algorithms? The correct option is option B, EcoStress. The Ecosystem Spaceborne Thermal Radiometer experiment on space station, named as EcoStress, has provided data that significantly enhances machine learning algorithms' ability to predict wildfire risks. Next is in January 2025, scientists detected cosmic waves resembling bird chips, known as chorus waves, in an unexpected region of space. What is the significance of this discovery? So the correct option is you have to comment below before I reveal it. Yeah, the correct option is option B. It extends the known range of these plasma burst beyond previous records. Because scientists detected chorus waves over 62,000 miles from Earth, extended the known range of these plasma bursts, which were previously recorded much closer to our planet. Next is, which two planets were observed in close conjunction in the southwestern sky on January 3, 2025? The correct option is option C, Venus and the Moon. On January 3, 2025, observers could see Venus close to the Moon in the southwestern sky during the late afternoon and early evening. Next is, what was the primary objective of NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Nick Hale spacewalk on January 16, 2025? The correct option of this question is option B, to replace a crucial rate gyro assembly. During their spacewalk on January 16, NASA astronauts Sunny Williams and Nick Hogg replaced a crucial rate gyro assembly and performed other maintenance tasks on International Space Station ISS. Next is, what significant achievement did ISRO accomplish with the SpaceX mission in January 2025? The correct option is option B, successful docking of two spacecraft in orbit. In January 2025, ISRO successfully executed the space docking experiment called SpaceX, achieving the docking of two spacecraft in orbit, making India the fourth country to achieve this feat. Next is, which space instrument data, when averaged with another, was found to accurately measure the rate of carbon dioxide emissions from power planets in January 2025? The correct option is option B, OCO3 and EMIT. The OCO scientists found that averaging data from the ISS, OCO3 and EMIT instruments can accurately measure the rate of sea carbon dioxide emission from power plants. Next is, what celestial event involving Mars and the Moon occurred in January 2025? The correct option is option A, Mars occulted by the Moon. In January 2025, observer witnessed Mars being occulted by the Moon, where the Moon passed in front of Mars, temporarily blocking it from view. Next is, what was the purpose of the Astronomy and Astrophysics Advisory Committee meeting held on January 30 to 31, 2025? क्या रहने वाला है इसका पर्पस? The correct option is option B, to discuss advancements in astronomy and astrophysics. The Astronomy and Astrophysics Advisory Committee meet virtually on January 30 to discuss recent developments and provide guidance on future directions in the field of astronomy and astrophysics. And the next one is, what was the significance of the Juno experiment mentioned in the January 2025 issue of Science News? The correct option is option B. It studied electrically neutral subatomic particles. The Jiangmen Underground Neutrino Observatory, Juno, is a cutting edge neutrino experiment in China designed to study electrically neutral subatomic particles, neutrinos. Its goal is to enhance our understanding of neutrino oscillations and the fundamental properties of these elusive particles, which could help in understanding the early universe and matter-antimatter asymmetry. That's it for today. I hope you like the video and keep shared with other one as well, because space and science is the crucial topic for every exam, and you should also know it for GK as well. So till then, keep learning.